Hi friends, let's have some fun with the fast noise effect. Let's put it here on that girl. We first go to effects, then we go to the effects tab here, and then we put an adjustment clip above all the other stuff that we have here already. And on that adjustment clip, we put a fast noise effect. So we go to OpenFX, search for fast noise, put it on there, and then it looks weird. But what we do is we go to the preset, and here we go, for example, to mist. Let's play that. Looks kind of okay. Smoke. I think the water surface is very cute. And if you take another image, it will make more sense. You can keyframe everything, the ratio, everything, and then have fun with experimenting. I hope you have fun with that. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day ahead. Goodbye.